Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today I would like to share with you a personal story. Alam mo yung struggle na parang bago ka pa lang dito sa country na to, ito yung nangyari guys. It's like when you got faith, somehow like the universe will make it happen for you. Ganun. So, nangyari guys, when I was here, like, when I was so new here, it was 2012, I got married. And then right after that, I started going to the language school to learn Danish language. And dito sa Denmark, it's very hard to find job if you do not speak the language. Pero, pag sa Copenhagen ata, may mga companies na doon, especially yung mga started companies, mga international companies, meron din doon somehow. Pero, it's always an advantage to be able to speak the language para pwede ka makapagtrabaho kahit saan. So, at that time, nag-language school pa lang ako. Wala akong trabaho, guys. And I was totally dependent with my husband financially. And of course, it's not a bad thing naman pag dependent ka kasi mag-asawa nga kayo, 'di ba? Pero in my case, since I graduated from college, all I did is really working, working, working. So I had my own money, and it was just I was just a bit shy to, alam mo yun, like, to ask for money if I need something, ganyan, kasi I got used of course, I should not be shy because he's my husband, right? That's like normal. But it's just I got used of I'm earning my own money and I want to spend it the way I want to spend it, ganon. So at that time, I was, and all this talk, oh, it's so difficult to find job, it's so difficult to find job. You know, you hear all these experiences from other foreigners also who is in the school and learning the language, ganyan. Ako naman parang, baka naman wala akong mahanap na trabaho, ganyan. One time, kasi sa Pilipinas, ano ako, yung first na naging trabaho ko doon is, anong tawag nun? Parang office assistant sa production company sa Cebu. Tapos, kuan siya, Bisaya. Kuan siya. But anyway, ano siya, Japanese production company siya. Tapos, office assistant ako. Doon ako nag-OJT. Tapos, after that is, nakapagtrabaho ako doon. Tapos, after no, nag-call center agent na ako for 3 years ata, 4 years. Ganun. Tapos, napunta na ako dito. Tapos, pagdating dito, yun nga parang kakabahan-kabahan ka kasi na naririnig mo yung mga usapan ng iba na, napakahirap talaga makapaghanap ng trabaho, ganyan. Tapos, one time, I was in the mall, in the shopping center, with one of my friends. Lakad-lakad lang kami doon. Parehas kami walang trabaho at that time. And, you know, still, ano bang tawag noon? Parang adjusting to the new environment you are in. So, I was in this, what is it called? I was in a clothing shop. Tapos, first time ko mapunta doon. Tapos, pagkatingin ko, may isang, anong tawag nun? May isang trabahante doon na parang sales lady na Asian din. Tapos, nung nakita ko siya, naisip ko, wow! Tapos, naririnig-rinig ko din yung accent niya sa Danish na parang iba. So, alam ko na hindi siya dito lumaki sa Denmark. So, nakita ko, oh my God, kung kaya naman pala niya, baka kaya ko din. I mean, I'm gonna be okay working in this company. Like, really. Alam mo yun, yung parang naisip ko na, basta pabalik-balik tayo. But anyway, nung nakita ko yung babae na yon, she's Asian, and her Danish language is parang may accents. Nakita ko, parang, nakapasok siya. Parang magkamukha lang kami. Tapos kaya niya, makakaya ko din yan. So, ibig sabihin pala, yung company na to is, pwede, I mean, they're accepting pala foreigners like me. So, yun yung so, naisip ko lang talaga na parang, sana ako din. Alam mo yun na parang, I'm gonna be okay working in this kind of shop. I'm okay with it. And then suddenly, we, from the language school, parang may inoffer yung other course na this is specifically for women lang talaga, na parang may mga work experience and uh, may mga natapos sa kanya-kanyang country. So, napasok ako doon. So, lahat kami doon, puro babae, and apparently, they're gonna help us to find job dito sa Denmark. So, ang nangyari, parang at the, I can't really remember, was it 6 months? I think it was 6 months course. So, nandun kami, tapos the last 2 months ata, or the last 3 months is parang mag-OJT ka. Tapos, yung teacher namin, so naghanap na saan kaming kumpanya ipapasok, ganyan-ganyan. Sa akin, tinanong ako na gusto ko ba daw sa clothing shop na yun. Like, in all of a sudden, like, the same brand, ganyan, yun yung na-offer sa akin na parang, kung gusto ko ba daw doon mag-OJT. Sabi ko naman, of course, like, I am so new here in Denmark. I don't wanna, like, I don't think I have, do the choosing. Like, I shouldn't be so choosy because, I mean, I'm new here in Denmark and I'm still adjusting kung ano ba yung parang para-paraan dito, ganyan. Pero na-shock lang ako kasi yung naisip ko, like, 8 months ago, na-offer sa akin na doon na brand ako mag-OJT. So, I said yes to it. And then, now, think about it, I've been working in that company for 7 years. Like in 7 years. And when I started working in that company, even until now, I mean, my Danish is still really, really bad. But of course, it got a bit better than the first few months I was there. It's still bad, but somehow, I can more understand. I can understand now more, but my speaking is still difficult. But, when you're in job, you just do your best. You just have to do it. So that what happened, guys, like, really, somehow when you put your mind to it, when you put your mind into something, faith, in a way, the universe will make it happen for you. I didn't even suggest it to the teacher. I didn't, nothing. And then it was just offered to me if I want to have my practice or my OJT in that company. I mean, among all the other classmates I had, like, it was offered to me because the other classmates I had were offered to different kinds of company too, where it fits their education. Mine, it didn't fit with my education, but as I said to my teacher, like, it really doesn't matter to me because I will just be happy getting a job. That's it. So yeah, yun guys, just sharing my experience. So just to let you know that somehow it works. So maybe, we think about something now, like we wish for, or something that we want to happen in the future without knowing it will happen. Really, it's so crazy.